Camera recording.
Hey neighbor, how are you? Just had to come over and do a little braggadocious, just a little bit. The wifer's got me a new Hawaiian shirt for our trip later on this month. We're going to Hawaii. We mow up, we mow up, we mow up, we mow up, we mow, we mow, we. I've never been, but it's always been a bucket drop place for me. Ever since that episode of the Brady Bunch, remember? Yeah. And also, the kiddo showed me that Andrew Sandlin movie, 50 Dates. I was like, that's where I want to go. So the wifers and I are going, and I'm going to compete in every single hula hoop contest there is out there. Funny fact about Hawaii, though. Did you know it's illegal to laugh out loud? It's illegal. They just want aloha. Oh, we mow up, oh, we mow up, we mow, we mow, we mow up. Later, gator. See you, church. We mow up, oh, we mow up.